welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to auto fit column widths in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to auto fit all the column which you have created on this sheet, okay, so how to do it? Here you will see I have created this table. Okay, now I want that I don't want to adjust auto manually. Okay, I want that it automatically fit. Okay, so how to do it? What you have to do, you have to just select the sheet which you have created. Okay, whole sheet. Okay, like this. And then what you have to do, here you will see format option, just click on it and you have to just click on auto row height, then auto column width. Okay, so like this you can easily uh, auto fit column width and row height in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.